Today we're going to demonstrate how to convert your Surefire M951 and your Surefire M961 to the Malkoff devices, conversion heads. It's real simple, just screw the head off, place the batteries in with the plus facing towards the head, and then screw on the other head, Malkoff head, and there you have just converted from 65 lumens to 800 lumens. And for the M961, you want to pull it apart right there. And same thing with the batteries. Put on the Malkoff head. And now you are 800 lumens and 55,000 candela.